Jackson just relayed to me that we're doing 115 knots. Mathematically, I think it's 1.6. Is that correct, Jackson? Or one? Yeah, it's approximately 130 miles per hour, and we're literally keeping up with him. So he's really hammering it here. The location for anyone interested, on the right-hand side of your screen is Norwalk, and left is sort of Santa Fe Springs area. We just went under the 605, and I'll just show this exit here. This is the Valley View exit, and just right there you can see the actually that's our competition just in front of us here. So we're all basically, the way the helicopters go is they stack up for safety. So we're stacked up behind our competition there, and we'll push in to get them out of screen. They don't need any free publicity. So here he is hammering it again in the HOV lane, approximately 130. Actually, they're saying 125 miles per hour. Again, if you're joining us here, my name's Justin. Stu's got the day off today, well-earned break, so having to put up with my voice. Again, this assignment test, one of our assignment editors, Dave, gave us the tip saying, hey, got a pursuit happening. Started 405 Howard Hughes heading north. That's where we picked it up, near LAX. And we believe he went up north on the 5, took a left turn on the 10 freeway, headed towards Santa Monica, exited around about 4th Street, and then zigzagged his way up either Pico, back onto Centinel. Oh, you can see there the dirt, the dirt on the side of the road there. That could often you hear Stu talk about vehicles driving on the side of the road there. That's the I suppose the side lane, emergency lane. Debris often gets shoved there, so you often hear vehicles getting flat tires. So that could be an issue for him if he doesn't watch himself. But, as I was saying, he took Centinel. At one stage, CHP was saying he was doing 100 mile an hour on Centinel. Anybody know that street? It's a major street on the west side, just a regular local street. So that's quite a large speed, fast speed on that side street. Here we are, is exiting, I believe, Riverside. So he's taking an exit here. This is the exit before Magnolia. Is this the 22, Jackson, do you know? It's, actually, he's exiting onto the 91 freeway. So as I was saying, he got on the 10 freeway, hammered it down the 10, went through downtown, and elected to take the 5. And all the CHP units have backed off because of the speed that he's been going, although they do have a CHP helicopter keeping an eye on him from overhead. So he's currently in the Buena Park area. That's left-hand side of the screen. And again, he's in the HOV lane, just hugging the HOV lane and the line there to the emergency lane of the between the concrete barrier. So unsure why CHP originally pursuing this guy or asking him to stop. They just say that the reason they're following is he's failed to yield. And you got to imagine, I don't imagine it's sport for this guy. He probably doesn't want to get caught. That's why he's continuing to go. He's doing probably, imagine 125 right now on the 91 freeway. Hey viewers, just letting you know the computer seems to have decided it wants to be friendly again, and so here we are. We got a better idea here. Here's the Anaheim Boulevard, approaching Anaheim on the 91, heading west, 120 miles per hour. You know, scooting up that yellow line in the concrete wall. Where's the CHP helicopter, Jax? As you can see there, he's still hammering it along. Just went through College Street, and doing approximately 100 mile an hour as he scoots along here westbound on the 91. Yeah, he's taking an exit here. Looks like yeah, now he's heading off onto the southbound 57 from the 91. Yeah. So if you just join us again on YouTube or the internet, Fox, Stu's off today. So my name's Justin. I'm the camera operator in the back of Stu. So I'm given the chance to have a bit of a chin wag, a bit of a chat, tell you what's going on. So currently CHP in pursuit of this stolen motorbike. Pursuit started around about 405 and Howard Hughes, around about LAX area. This gentleman, CHP, tried to pull him over. He said, I'm good, thanks, and opened the throttle. So they've been in pursuit now for approximately 20, 30 minutes. He first of all went up 405, went left on the 10 of the beach, got off around about 4th Street, and made his way down to Pico, back to Centinela, where he was reaching speeds of 100 mile per hour, and got back on the 10 freeway, went headed towards downtown on the 5, the 91, and here we are on the 57 south, just approaching Catella. He's reaching speeds of up to 130 miles per hour, times riding his motorbike in the safety lane there, and you can see dirt popping up at times as he skirts the yellow line. CHP vehicles, CHP rightly, because of the speed this guy's travelling at, don't want to endanger the public, so they've pulled off all the ground units and are monitoring the motorcyclist from the sky. Again, unsure why they originally tried to pull him over, but he failed to yield. So they're going to just keep an eye on him from the sky here. They're letting each other know, the CHP officers, that he's in HOV lane, as you can see there, doing approximately 112 miles per hour. My good mate Stu Mundell's off today, so I'm sort of giving you a little bit of play-by-play here. Well, there's a late change there. Now he's back on the, this is the 57-5 transition. So it's against the 5 South. Not sure of the exact location here. The map is generating this at 22 freeway. So just wondering if this is the hospital here. Yeah. So we'll just show off that fancy feature again of the digital zoom we have. It's push into him. This is as tight as I can go. So so he's still hammering it along there, doing approximately 94 mile per hour. So he's coming to the end of the freeway here, I believe. Sorry, just having a little trouble with my knobs that I operate the camera with, so you see me jerking around there. And he's getting back on the 55. Yeah, he's at our 10 o'clock, mate. Yeah, it looks like he's taking an exit here. He's exited Chapman. He's back onto side streets now, and doing eastbound on Chapman. They're doing quite heavy speeds there. So he's off our nose, Jackson. So if you hear me talking I'm actually talking to the pilot. The pilot today on Sky Fox is Jackson, and just giving him direction where it is. These motorcycle pursuits are always hard to spot from the air, and here he is. He's pulling into a 7-Eleven. Do you see the 7-Eleven, Jackson? It's off. He's getting fuel. He's getting fuel. It's off the nose, mate. I can't tell, mate. I'm sorry. I'm just tired on the. Yeah, full of. Just scoot around if you can quickly, mate. He's getting the gas. Yeah, so here he is, 7-Eleven. He must be getting low on gas. This is pretty crazy that the speeds that he was going, he's able to pull over, get gas, and then keep going again by the look of it. And CHP is saying, get there as quick as you can because he's refueling. You can see there, look at that. He's putting some gas in the car. Only in LA do you see this, eh? Yeah. Yeah, look at that. He's done. Doesn't even put the tube back in the meter. Oh, he's giving himself up. Take that. That's how we do it in California. That's how it's done. Well done there, Officer CHP. What a way to end. So there we go. This came to a very sudden end. He was just about to take off again, but CHP officer quick thinking was able to get there and pull in front of him. So. And CHP officer wasted no time there, jumping out with his gun at gunpoint, pointed the gun at him, and said, "Hey mate, let's call this quits." So he threw his hands in the air quickly, and there you have him there on the ground. And quite brave there, officer there, CHP officer on his own to take that guy on, who was wearing a helmet, and certainly if it became a confrontation, might have the advantage, but. Good on the CHP. Great job there today, staying back, keeping the public safe, watching from the air, and letting this individual come to a stop at his own will, and then moving in. Again, unsure the reason why they were pursuing this person in the first place. He failed to yield way back on the 405 and Howard Hughes, approximately good 30 minutes ago. So there's the big reveal. Get the helmet off, get to have a look at him. Again, if you're just tuning in, this is a motorcycle pursuit